Are you looking in today's fast-paced kitchens? The demand for high-quality food choppers has soared. Whether you're a home chef, busy parent, or meal prep enthusiast, a reliable food chopper can save time and effort while ensuring precision. From slicing vegetables to dicing fruits or julienning potatoes, food choppers come in all shapes and functionalities. In this guide, we evaluate the best food choppers based on build quality. List once for all upgrade safe Mandoline Slicer Plus. Bigger size, adjustable vegetable food chopper, potato fries cutter. This upgraded version of Once for All's Mandoline Slicer stands out for its enhanced safety features and larger slicing surface. Designed with a concealed blade mechanism and push-style operation, it minimizes hand contact with blades, making it a top choice for safety-conscious users. Its adjustable thickness dial allows you to switch from paper-thin slices to chunky cuts with ease. Ideal for slicing everything from cucumbers to sweet potatoes. It also handles French fries like a pro. The non-slip base ensures stability during use, while the compact storage makes it easy to tuck away. While it's not the cheapest option, its solid construction and versatility justify the price for anyone seeking a long-lasting kitchen tool. List Mueller Pro Series All-in-One 12-blade Mandoline Slicer for kitchen, food chopper, vegetable slicer, and spiralizer. The Mueller Pro Series is a multi-function powerhouse. With 12 interchangeable blades, it performs slicing, chopping, grating, and spiralizing tasks with ease. The stainless steel blades are razor-sharp, making short work of everything from onions to zucchini noodles. Its premium build quality and compact storage container help reduce kitchen mess and speed up meal prep. What truly sets it apart is its spiralizer function, which adds extra value for health-conscious eaters. Cleanup is relatively easy, thanks to the included brush and dishwasher-safe components. This chopper is a great fit for anyone who loves versatility in a single compact gadget. List Once for All Safe Mandoline Slicer 5-in-1 Vegetable Chopper, Food Potato Cutter, Strips Julienne Dicer Adjustable Thickness. This 5-in-1 slicer from Once for All focuses heavily on user safety, with an intuitive design that hides the blade and uses a pusher system. Its adjustable thickness setting lets you customize cuts from thin slices to thick julienne. The vertical design improves ergonomics, making slicing less tiring. The 5-in-1 functions cover most basic chopping needs, and it's great for carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, and more. It's compact, easy to clean, and stores conveniently, perfect for everyday use without the clutter. While it doesn't have spiralizing capabilities, its focus on essential slicing tasks and top-tier safety make it ideal for families or seniors. List Fullstar Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer, Food Chopper with Container, Fruit Slicer, Kitchen Gadgets. This Fullstar chopper is a favorite for meal preppers and healthy eaters alike. It combines a chopping grid with spiralizer blades, offering efficient chopping and decorative vegetable cutting in one unit. The built-in container catches food neatly, reducing countertop mess. The set includes several interchangeable blades to cube, dice, slice, and spiralize with minimal effort. Non-skid base and soft grip handle enhance usability. While not as durable as metal alternatives, the price-to-performance ratio is outstanding. It's best for lighter daily use and ideal for prepping salads, stir-fries, and veggie noodles quickly. List 5. Mueller Vegetable Chopper, Mandoline Slicer, Food Veggie Chopper, Cheese Grater, Onion Vegetable Cutter. The Mueller Vegetable Chopper is a well-rounded performer, perfect for those seeking slicing, grating, and chopping in one compact tool. This model includes multiple stainless steel blade attachments for precise cuts across different food types, whether you're dicing onions or grating cheese. Its ergonomic handle, sturdy design, and non-slip base make it feel safe and stable during operation. The food catcher tray is a convenient addition that prevents mess and saves time. Best of all, it's budget-friendly without compromising on build quality. While it lacks the advanced safety of some vertical mandolines, it's still a solid choice for everyday tasks.